everyone, this is Blow Phrasal Verb Part 3. Today's phrasal verb is blow up. The first meaning of blow up is explode or burst with force. For example, the gas leak could make the entire house blow up. Now the second meaning is to expand or inflate. For example, he blew up the balloons for the party. Now the third meaning of blow up is to express anger or to become very angry. For example, he blew up at his coworker for constantly interrupting him at the meeting. And the last meaning is enlarge a photograph or an image. For example, I need to blow up this photo so I can see the details more clearly. Now let's recap as usual. So blow up can mean explode. For example, the volcano may blow up any minute or can blow up any minute. The second one is to expand or inflate. For example, you inflate the air mattresses, you blow up the air mattresses, you blow up balloons. Number three, to express anger, you become very angry. For example, I spilled some coffee on his laptop and he totally blew up at me. And finally, to enlarge a photograph or something. For example, the chef had to blow up the photo of recipe. That's it for today. I hope it was useful and just follow for more. Goodbye.